Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see memories on Snapchat on web. But before that, like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, you can see right now I'm here in the Snapchat web. So what you need to do is simply go ahead, access your web browser, type in snapchat.com/web or simply Snapchat web, and get signed in. Once you're done signing in, this is how the interface is gonna look like. Now if you want to simply access your memories, you should be able to go to your camera and access the memories, right? Or you can go to your settings and there should be a memory option when you go to the settings section. But unfortunately in the Snapchat web you cannot access. For that you need to go ahead and get the memories from your app itself. You can only have your memories stored over there. Now what you can do from Snapchat web instead is simply downloading your data. Now that is the only option available. All you have to go ahead, download your data. Once you have downloaded the data from your account itself, then you might potentially be able to access your memories. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.